Samsung Galaxy next Unpacked event to be happening on the month of August. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as we know that Samsung is planning to announce their biggest event of the year, and that is going to be happening in the month of August, and the date that has been arriving is the August 11 when the Unpacked event is going to be happening. At that Unpacked event we are going to see two foldable devices, the Z Fold3 and the Z Flip3, which are going to be crazy devices, and also they are going to be an upgraded variant from the last year foldable. Also on the event we are going to see the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Buds 2 as well. Unfortunately we are not going to see the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition just because the global chip shortage, and now that device has been delayed until the month of September or October. Anyhow, in this video we are going to talk about what these devices are going to be coming, what are their specifications, and what are their expected prices to be. Starting from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it's going to be a device that is going to be the replacement for Galaxy Note this year. Just because the chip shortage, the Galaxy Note is not going to be happening, so the Z Fold lineup is going to be replacing that particular device. So obviously the major thing that Note has was the S Pen support, so the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be confirmed to support the S Pen as per the FCC listing. It's going to be coming with two Super AMOLED display. One is going to be 6.23 inch of cover display and the other one is 7.55 inch of internal foldable display. It was also recently spotted at the Geekbench rocking a Snapdragon 888 chipset along with the 12 gigs of RAM and Android 11. In the camera department, we expect total of 5 cameras, a triple main setups consisting 3 triple 12 megapixel shooters including an ultra wide with autofocus and 16 megapixel under display selfie camera and 10 megapixel shooter on the cover display. Thanks to official renders, we already know what the Z Fold will look like. Apparently it will also be cheaper than its predecessor, while we have a little bit less concrete information about the Z Flip 3 and its internals, but we expect that the device is going to be rocking a Snapdragon 888 chipset alongside with 8 gigs of RAM, 3300 mAh of a battery cell with 25 watt of wired charging and 15 watt of wireless charging. It should be getting a bigger 1.9 inch external display this time around and 120 Hz internal 6.7 inch of display. Just like its sibling, we already have plenty of renders and even videos to marvel at the design, and apparently it might also be up to 20% cheaper than its predecessor. So the next device in the list is going to be the Galaxy Watch 4. The biggest news surrounding the upcoming Galaxy Watch 4 of course is the fact that Samsung is moving away from Tizen and using the Wear OS, which is coming with One UI watch interface on top of that. So obviously this is going to be pretty exciting device in terms of the software. As far as the upcoming hardware of the device, there's plenty of rumors and leaks to dig to. As far as we currently know that there will be a vanilla Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic variant, complete with the Samsung signature rotating bezels, and we have even alleged pricing for both the models. Basically, Galaxy Watch 4 is coming with two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm. The smaller one is going to be coming with a price tag in between 350 to 370 euros, while the larger one is going to be coming with 380 to 400 euros of price tag. While the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is going to be coming with two different variants as well, and they are coming with 42mm and 46mm. The smaller variant will be coming with 470 to 500 euros, while the 500 to 530 euros for the upper variant. So finally, the Galaxy Buds 2 are going to be the last thing that are going to be present on the Unpacked event. The Galaxy Buds 2 already have heads-up turning, and with their eyes-catching selection of colors, the Galaxy Buds Pro like a stylish design and reportedly active noise cancellation is coming. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 will be coming with a price between $149 and $169. Each earbud is going to be carrying a 60 mAh battery, while the case will supply another 500 mAh of battery cell. So guys, all in all, these are the devices that are going to be happening on the Unpacked event, and I am super excited and curious about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 just because the fact that it is going to be supporting the S Pen, the under display camera sensor, and also a great ultra thin glass technology. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming event? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.